Hotpoint Dishwasher Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Hotpoint dishwashers that consist of front-load Hotpoint dishwashers and top-load Hotpoint dishwashers, along with all other Hotpoint models. If you are having problems with your Hotpoint dishwasher, such as the dishwasher doesn't clean, dishwasher won't drain, your Hotpoint dishwasher buttons don't work, your dishwasher lights are flashing or blinking, your Hotpoint dishwasher is leaking, your dishwasher won't start, dishwasher won't latch, dishwasher dispenser doesn't work, your dishwasher won't fill, maybe your dishwasher's overflowing, or your dishwasher won't dry dishes. We can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.